nong ai kitian ka AICC ka Anuma Acharya kala keno baka jingkam Jongka party BJP bakan job saus pa Ngut ha ka election MP Lok Sabha ka pau shai baka yat da kalinti bomdei ha bakaran shakilat pathai khobor ha ka khatwei tarik kala lingkot harja at phausaw ka Anuma kala keno baki tanat trekam balai lut kum ka Election Commission of India ka Enforcement Directorate bat ka Central Bureau of Investigation kila kalalut ki Dkhot Jongka BJP kala ong baki pajba ki deban kendit thya bat kimdei ban shapting khnam bakin la ban jet ya ka sarkar bakhoj ka badai ka sarkar upat ba bat na ka benta upat ba.
People who respect democracy cannot make such loose comments. If the elections are not organic, which I feel they were not in all the Hindi belt, and how they were not organic, everybody knows what is playing, a lot of people are demonstrating. So, therefore, they are confident because they are not using the correct means perhaps. Otherwise, in a democracy, nobody can be so arrogant saying that everybody is in our favor. Whereas their policies, like our income, per capita income, we are 128 in the country. Whereas BJP boasts incorrectly that we are the 5th economy in the world. So, I think if somebody is making such an arrogant statement, it clearly evinces that there is some incorrect means they are onto, or they cannot be so sure because their work has not been for the people. During their time, 80 crore people have gone below the poverty line, therefore they have been given 5 kg ration. So I think BJP is boasting unless they have some, because ECI, ED and CBI, they have also become the members of BJP. People should be awakened. They should be fearless. Then only they can elect a democratic government. When a democratic government comes, everything will come into its place. So, as of now, we can't say we can do this or that to ECI because now government has also changed the procedure of selection of ECI. You know that now only one cabinet minister along with the prime minister, and for the namesake one leader of opposition will be in the electoral process. They have removed the Supreme Court, the CJI from that process. So therefore we can't make bigger claims. It's only one way, which is the democratic way, which is the poll, which is the elections, which are unbiased. Then only it all can be revived.